Welcome to another tech vid. Today, I'll show you how to set up the Sophos NDR sensor in Amazon Web Services. Once configured, Sophos NDR reports all detection data to the Threat Analysis Center in Sophos Central by using a span port to scan traffic generated from your AWS environment. Today, I'll show you how to set up the Sophos NDR integration in Sophos Central. Then, I'll demonstrate how to prepare and deploy a CloudFormation template in AWS, which includes creating a stack, mirroring traffic to send data to the NDR sensor, and editing security groups. Lastly, I'll show you how to set an appliance password and access the Sophos Appliance Manager, which lets you manage and troubleshoot the NDR integration. Before starting, you need a Sophos NDR integration license pack. You also need an AWS account. Ensure you're using a supported EC2 instance to deploy the NDR sensor. We currently support the instances shown, but refer to the documentation linked in the description for the most up-to-date information. You also need a VPC created in your respective region with subnets and availability zones. The VPC assigned to your appliance will be the VPC you'll monitor traffic on. We recommend that you create a separate SSH key pair to connect the NDR EC2 instance. As part of the setup process, you'll assign a security group that allows SSH into the integration appliance. We suggest you create a new security group specifically for this. And finally, you need at least one unallocated elastic IP address to use with the NDR management interface. Refer to our linked documentation for further information. In Sophos Central, go to the Threat Analysis Center and open the Integrations Marketplace. Select Sophos NDR, then click Add Configuration. In here, you'll populate the information and settings to generate a CloudFormation template that's deployed in AWS. Enter a name for the integration. The description is optional. Then, create a new appliance to use with your NDR integration. Give the appliance a name. Note, this name must be unique. Once again, the description is optional. For the virtual platform, select AWS. Once selected, you'll notice the network settings fields have disappeared. This is because the network settings are managed directly within AWS. Lastly, indicate any domains or protocols that should be excluded from detections. You can set up your exclusions later, but you must enter the list name now. Note that the list name must be unique for each NDR integration. DNS protocol. Once done, scroll back up and click Save. At this point, a CloudFormation JSON file will be created for you to deploy in AWS. This may take a few minutes. To download the file, find the new integration. Under Integrations, go to Configured. Open the Integration Appliances tab. If you have a lot of integrations, you can search for the NDR appliance. Click the ellipsis on the right. Once the image is created, the Download Image option is selectable and you can click on it. You're now ready to deploy the Sophos NDR. Select the Sophos Integration Appliance. All details about this integration are included here, so take some time to review this if needed. Click on View Purchase Options. Sophos provides this appliance at no additional EULA is also available for you to review here. When you're ready, click Subscribe.